In today's class, we'll see some more question. So, what are the field symbols in ABAP and why they are used? Field symbols are like pointers in ABAP that reference memory locations of variable or table fields. They are used to access and modify data dynamically without copying it, improve performance. Field symbols are placeholders or reference to memory areas. They are used for dynamic data access without copying data. So the next question is, what is the difference between field symbol and work area? Work area holds a copy of a single record from an internal table, whereas field symbol points directly to the memory location of a record, no copy. Field symbols are faster and more memory efficient than work areas. Work areas show a copy of data. A field symbol points directly to the original data memory location. Difference between standard table, shorted, and hash internal table. Standard shorted has storage location as inserted, no sorting, automatically sorted by key in sorted table, no specific order, hash logic, hash table. Unique or non-unique optional, key type in standard table. Unique, non-unique both allowed in sorted table. Always unique key only in hash table. Duplicate allowed, yes. Yes if non-unique key, no if unique key. In hash table, no. Duplicates are not allowed. Access type, linear search, big O of n. In shorted, binary search, big O of log n. Hash lookup, big O of 1. Performance rate, slow, line by line search, fast binary search in shorted table, fastest hash algorithm in hash table. Use case, when data is small or order of entry matters. In shorted, when frequent reads and shorted access required. And in hash, when frequent key based access required. So example key statement with non-unique key field, with non-unique key field, with unique key field in hash. Insert behavior, insert at end, insert in shorted order, insert based on hash value. Search by key, linear, binary, and in hash table, hash direct lookup. That's all about it. We'll see some more question in the next class. Thank you.